A CNC machine follows direction from a pre-programmed computer software. This program specifies the machine speed, movement, and position to achieve a specific material shape. The CNC machining process features the following steps. 1. Working in CAD. The designer creates a 2D or 3D drawing in computer-aided design or CAD software. This file includes specifications such as the structure and dimension that will tell the CNC machine how to create the part. Number 2. Converting the CAD file to CNC code. Since CAD files find use in many applications, the designer needs to convert the CAD drawing into a CNC compatible file. They can change the CAD format to a CNC format with a program such as Computer Aided Manufacture or CAM software. 3. Machine preparation. Once the operator has readable file, they can set up the machine itself. They attach the appropriate workpieces and tooling for the program to execute correctly. 4. Process execution. With the files and machine prepared, the CNC operator can execute the final process. They start the program, which the guides and the machine through the entire process.